Guys, we have question 5A of 2025 Mathematics Paper 2 Grade 12 exam. And this is under computer and calculator. This is a pseudocode, and we are asked to draw a flowchart corresponding to the pseudocode. Okay, so the first one is start. The start is just an oval shape, okay, which is just like this. You can just write inside start. Okay, then this is leading us to the next shape. The next shape is just enter, R, and theta. Now, this is the symbol here is a parallelogram. Okay, like this. So you can just write in enter, R, comma, theta. Okay, then next is if R is less than 0, then print error, R must be positive. This is very simple. Now, the next is if. If that's a condition, so the shape here is a diamond shape, okay, like this. If changes to is, so you ask yourself, you just say, is R less than 0 with a question mark like this? If the answer is yes, what do? Print error. Okay, now to print this, the symbol is same, it's just the parallelogram rather. Okay, so we're going to say error R must be what? Must be positive. Okay, positive. That's the error message. If not, okay, if the answer is no, that's where you have else. You proceed. So else, this is the formula. Now, what you do, you solve. We use a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. So I'm going to just put the formula which is there, which is just A is equals to 1/2 times, just put a star, okay, times R times R. Due to space here, I'm going to write sign here as sign, which is times rather, another times sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Then end if. All right, so we proceed saying end if print A. So just draw a parallelogram. So we're going to say here print A. So print A. Okay, print A, then stop. Okay, see, stop, then you finish here. So we're going to say, we're going to draw this one, stop. That's it. If you've enjoyed this, guys, subscribe, like the video. Else, let's go to the next question.